Kay Kuya John, happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat, sa mga bonding, sa mga padala, sa pagpapaaral sa akin. Good luck sa mga gagawin mo sa future. Tapos sana makuha mo lahat ng mga gusto mong gawin. Good luck sa'yo bilang asawa ni Ate Nick, bilang athlete, tsaka daddy ni Max. Thank you sa lahat. Happy birthday!
Hi John! Happy birthday! Ingat kayo dyan!
John, happy birthday! I pray for more healthy and happy birthdays for you to celebrate with Nika and Max, and hopefully with us dito sa Pilipinas. I hope you enjoy your day. You deserve it. And siguro we all couldn't ask for more. You have lived a full life. You have been blessed so much. Maybe because sinishare mo lahat ng blessings mo. Thank you for everything, and I hope you stay the same.
Happy birthday! Dali!
Happy birthday, Tito John! Come back soon!
Uy, mag-happy birthday ka!
Birthday!
Sabi mo, happy birthday, Moops! Tawagin mo si Moops! Dali! Ay, Moops! Tawagin mo si Moops!
Happy birthday, fam! Yay! Happy birthday, Tito John. Have a good day.
Happy birthday, John. Ang wish namin for you, sana parating okay yung health, tsaka sana tuloy-tuloy yung blessings sa trabaho, sa success mo, at sana maging masaya yung birthday mo. Gusto namin mag-thank you sa'yo para sa lahat ng ginagawa mo para kay Nika, tsaka kay Max, at sana magkaroon ka rin ng mahabang pahinga para makasama mo sila ng mas matagal. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mr. Edwin. Thank you. Thank you sa support mo at saka sa patuloy na pagtulong mo sa amin. And sana mas madami ka pang matulungan ng mga bata sa PTTA para magkaroon pa tayo ng mga national champion. Thank you din sa pag-aalaga mo kay Ate Nick at kay Max. Happy birthday.
Hi John, 35 years to you. At age 35, I think you're on the right track and you're doing things right. You're blessed with a happy family, an incredible Max, an enjoyable and rewarding work, and an opportunity to help young people excel in table tennis with your PTTA. So stay with it. I see more blessings coming your way. Happy birthday, John.
Happy birthday, Ninong John. Sana umuwi ka na. Thank you sa lahat ng binigay mo. Umuwi ka na para matalo na kita sa darts.
Happy birthday, Ninong! Happy birthday, Ninong! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ninong! I love you! See you soon!
Hi, Kuya John. Marvin and I want to greet you a happy birthday. What more can I ask for? You already have the most in life. You're so blessed. God bless you more abundantly in everything. Kuya John,
kapatid. Happy birthday. More blessings to come. I love you so much. See you soon.
Daddy! Daddy!